If you're a founder or partner at a corporate training firm, I'm guessing you don't care about viral views or becoming a TikTok celebrity. You want high-value conversations with HR directors and L&D leads. But why is your current corporate training marketing failing to book more meetings? Could it be your social media strategy is falling short? The first big mistake I see is training companies chasing vanity metrics. Look, 50 views from the right decision makers will always beat 50,000 views from the general public. Stop measuring generic engagement and start tracking hard conversions. Second, you're spreading yourself way too thin across platforms. Put 90% of your effort into LinkedIn. It is way more effective for B2B lead generation than other networks. Focus where the money is. And third, stop treating your feed like a corporate megaphone. Share high-value industry insights like tips on solving skills gaps, and dial back the direct pitches. You have to build trust before you can expect an executive to jump on a call. Now, fixing these three things will immediately shift your results, but it's honestly just the tip of the iceberg. There are actually 10 critical reasons your strategy might be missing the mark right now. Click the link below to read the full breakdown on Social Hire.